You are providing your own alcohol for your wedding, and you are unsure on how to figure out the quantities of how much you need to buy and provide for your guests? Let me give you a virtual bar consultation. Now, I'm trying to help as many people as I can in the next 24 hours plan their wedding, and this post is extremely informational and helpful. I own a mobile bar, and I help all of my clients stock their bars, so let's get into it. And you can plug in your own numbers here. But mind you, this is based off an event for 100 guests and a wedding where you would be drinking for 5 hours of the event. I know in other countries this is probably not applicable, but in America, in Pennsylvania, this is extremely popular for timing. Now, first things first, how many drinks are going to be served at your wedding? Now, I use the magic number 7, and I get the number 7 because I count 1 drink per hour per guest, and I add in 2 buffer drinks, knowing that some guests are going to drink more than that, some guests are going to drink way less than that, and some are going to drink right around 7 drinks. So easy, 7 times 100 guests equals 700 beverages poured throughout the night. How much of each kind, and what is the crowd drinking? Now for this, I break it into percentages. Let's say, and this is the most common, 40% of your guests are liquor drinkers, 40% are beer and seltzer drinkers, and 20% are wine drinkers. Once again, this is just one of the most common breakdowns I see. You then will take 40% of 700, which is 280. There will be 280 liquor beverages served. There will also be 40% of 700, 280 beer or seltzer served. And then 20% of 700, 140 glasses of wine served. Then lastly, how many cases and bottles are you supposed to buy? You are going to take 280, divide it by 20, because in a liter bottle of liquor, you can usually get 20 to 22 drinks per liter bottle, giving you 14. I always say buy more, 14 to 18 liters of liquor, and you are going to want to focus on these popular items: vodka, tequila, rum, whiskey, and gin. Then we're going to move on to beer and seltzers. 280 divided by 24, because there's 24 in a case. That comes out to a little under 12, and then I would say 12 to 14. Always buy up. And then wine, 140 drinks divided by 7, because you can get 6 to 7 glasses of wine in a bottle, giving you 20. Always buy up, 20 to 22 bottles of wine and champagne. I truly hope the right people find this, and I would say at this point, just screenshot this and plug in your numbers.